were recently arrested for singing a punk prayer in a church. Everyone's been waiting to hear if you'll come out and make a statement.
Yes. Well, it's a very controversial subject. Obviously, I believe in freedom of speech, and I'm against censorship. So I hope that that the judge is lenient with them and they are freed soon. That would be great.
Thank you very much.
There's been some quite complicated arguments about arcane laws, and the church laws going back to the 10th century. So I think people are quite confused about that. But what they do see, I think, is that if this had happened in the UK, it would be treated as quite a minor offence. People would be told off. We have a thing called being bound over to keep the peace, where you promise to behave yourself and maybe pay a small fine. It wouldn't be something where people were facing 7 years in prison. Amnesty International said they treat them as prisoners of conscience, and the women have made quite clear in court today that they saw it as a political protest. It wasn't an anti-religious protest. It was very much making a political statement. Now, you could argue that they shouldn't have chosen that way to make a political statement. There were other places they could have done it without upsetting people in the way that some people might have been upset about it being in church. But I think it is right. I don't think that they would be in the situation they're in now were it not for the fact that they had been making a political protest. Might be offended by that, but I don't think that they meant it to offend.